So it is a better way to save your access key and your secret access key in 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 your host, because once because here in AWS account, once you close the IAM user service, right, you will not be able to read the access key and the secret key anymore. So the better thing is to save them, and you can read them later if you cannot remember them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, and this is our access key, and go back to our AWS configuration, go to credentials, then change them here, then copy and paste the secret access key here and save them, right? And now if we come back and try to list, yes, as you can see that this user with its default role, he can read no S3 bucket, but to this user be able to see the bucket that is reside in our production account, he must to switch his role, as we saw in the console. Because in the console, this user to be able to see this bucket that is shared by the production account, he must to switch its role manually. So to do the same via AWS client, via the terminal, we have to modify something that I will show you now. Is we will go to the configure, right? The config file, and they will add something. I will use profile, and for example we call it Abdul Ali, and then I will copy this and paste it here, right? So what this mean is that when you try to switch to IRN role, or to switch to the update role, the search profile is the default. What means that is when this user Abdul Ali try to switch to update role, use the credential that reside in the default, in the profile, default profile. This default is here. It is like we type s3 ls dash dash profile default, right? So to switch to the role, we have to type dash dash profile Abdul Ali. Then Abdul Ali will switch to the update role. Then when it will update, it will use these credentials that reside beneath the default profile. I hope you understand what I wanted to explain you. So to switch the role, we have to use the Abdul Ali profile. So I will go down here, then I will type AWS history ls dash dash profile Abdul Ali. Then I will type like this. Then as you can see that the production package is appeared here. So now if I want to list the objects that are inside this package, I have to type AWS history ls, then history dash slash slash, then the name of the bucket, then profile Abdul Ali. As you can see, it is the cross-access role using .png. It is the same thing, same name that we have in the production account, bucket history. So if I don't, for example, if I use the default profile, I will have an error of access denied, as you can see here, because the default profile does not have the permission to access to the S3 bucket that is in the production environment, in the production account. But if I type S3 Abdel profile, then it will work. So in this lab, I try to show you how you can achieve a cross-access account role using AWS. So I hope that you liked the video. If you like it, subscribe to my channel and let me a comment if you like it and what you want me to achieve you in the next labs. And don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you for your watching.